So today we are going to make RFID based attendance system. So first of all, go to Google Sheets and we'll using Google Sheets as our database. So and first of all, title your project. So I am titling my project as RFID test 2. Then after we will go to extension and we'll check our see. Then go to extensions and click on app script. When app script is open, so delete everything whatever is there like function my function, then go to drive and copy the text uh, content. I You can also check this code from Google Drive. I have uploaded. So in Google Drive just copy the code for scripting Google Sheets and paste here. So here sheet ID you have to replace sheet ID with your sheet ID. So for sheet ID you have to go to Google Sheets and from there you can get your sheet ID. So after the D slash the sheet ID is there. So after D slash copy the entire line before slash and then copy it and again go to your script editor and replace with your sheet ID. Okay. Then you can specify your time zone and time hours. So this is the for sheet ID and this column data in column A. So it is for in like we will write in date in column A and time zone in column B, and the name of the whoever person is entering will be written in column C. So in column A we will defining date, and in column B we are defining time stamp, and we have selected time zone with Asia and Kolkata, and in column C we will define name of the employee. Now expanding the name column, so our script is completed. Now we will deploy new deployment and then click on setting button, then web app, click on web app, then after allow access to anyone and click on deploy. After deploying you will get a link, let it update. So go to authorize access, click on Google accounts, your account, Google account, then click on advanced, go to untitled project, then allow. Then you will get a new link URL. Now copy this URL and go to and open a new tab and paste this URL, and after this URL exec write down question mark and name then equal to. So whatever you will write after name and equal to so whatever you will write after equal to, it will be written in sheet. So it is only for checking whether our code is working or not, whether Google Sheet is responding or not. So for it's for only for verification purpose. So I have written Zaman name, so it's showing that employee name written on column C. Now go to Google Sheets and check on column C. So here we can see timestamp at 5:57 p.m. and name is Zaman and date. We can see the date. Then so we can say it's working. Now copy this URL. Okay. So now it's time to update the data on each RFID card. So for writing the data on each RFID card, you can go to card registration code and you can also download it from Google Drive. I have uploaded the link. Okay. So here whatever you name you will write, it will get written onto your RFID card. So here one thing that has to be very careful is you have to mention underscore in instead of a space button. So here I have written serial.println to scan your card. So whenever the code works, it will scan, ask for scan your RFID card. Then after it will read and write the card name details in block 2. So RFID have 16 blocks, so it will write in block 2. So now select your board and port, then upload. I am using Arduino 2 version, updated version 2.0, so you can also do the same process in 1.8 version. It's taking time to upload. Now open serial monitor. After successful upload, open serial monitor. Check whether view alert is same or not in serial monitor as well as in code. So now open serial monitor. Press reset button on your Node MCU board. So it will show scan your card. Now I'm scanning my card. Also now it started showing UID of card, type of card, which company of card is there. So my card is MyFair 1KB and UID. Then after successful authentication and reading, it is showing the data that in block 2 the data is Mohammed Zaman, that whatever I have written. So if you write your name, your name will also be shown there. So while writing your name in block, so you must consider some certain rules, like your name should not exceed 16 letters, and you do not have permit to write give space. Instead of space you can give underscore. So now for second card I am writing Mohammed Zaman 2. So I have another RFID card, so for another card I am writing Mohammed Zaman 2. So it will write on another card as Zaman 2. Upload the card. So if you have so many cards, for each card you have to write each name and repeat this process. See, the Google sheet based RFID attendance is a very basic project. Further on we will do it's more interesting project on PHP and database, localhost database. So for that you have to wait till next video. After successful upload, open your serial monitor. So in serial monitor it is showing the previous data. I just it's showing some error, so again reset and open the serial monitor. I just pressed reset button, so it started showing Mohammed Zaman in block 2. So we can say now your card is working. So for each card you have to register your name individually. Now we have write the data on card. It's time to upload the main code. So for main code, this link should be replaced by your unique link. To get your unique link that we have copied earlier in the script, after deployment you have to paste your link here, and after your exec link in exec, after you have to write question mark name and equal to. Then the second main thing that you need to change is your fingerprint of your Google Sheet. So for fingerprint we will go to, you have to go to Google Sheets and click on HTTPS lock button. Okay, click on lock button, and connection is secure, then certificate is valid, then you will see SHA 1 fingerprint. So you have to copy the entire fingerprint and pay, for your reference paste here after in comment section. Okay, so paste here after double slash. Okay, so this fingerprint is need to be replaced by your fingerprint. Okay, so like here is a 19, so copy one by one and paste after 0x. So you have to copy and paste each block in this fingerprint. Then after you have to change your SSID And password SSID is nothing but the Wi-Fi, your Wi-Fi, and this its password. So after changing SSID and password, if you want further exploration and description about the entire source code, you can comment on. I'll reply. And now upload your code. This code you also get on Google Drive link. Click on upload. If you face library error during compilation, you can just ask. I will share the link for libraries as well. So now it is connecting to Wi-Fi. I press reset button, so it is started connecting to Wi-Fi and printing dot dot dot. So I just now opened my Wi-Fi. After connection, it's showing Wi-Fi connected and showing the IP address of Node MCU board. So this is the IP address of Node MCU board, not the Wi-Fi. I just press the reset button, so it's now start again connecting to Wi-Fi in same process. So after connecting the Wi-Fi on the Node MCU, the blue line, the blue LED will start blinking. So it means your Wi-Fi is connected, and now you scan your card. So after, when you scan your card, it shows welcome Mr. and slash Mrs. whatever the name and the data written on card, and it will print on serial monitor. And when you go to Google Sheet, the name also will there. So I'm going to Google Sheet and see here Mohammed Zaman name with along with timestamp and date. So 6 time. So it means the data is connected written successfully. Now I have scanned another card. It's so it will write another card name on Google Sheet along with timestamp at 6:07 p.m. So that's how it works. So for further video, subscribe our channel and we'll meet in next video.